CIGNA International Expatriate Benefits, CIEB, would like to familiarize you with the CIGNA Links program your employer has arranged for you to receive as an enhancement to our standard CIEB coverage. The CIGNA Links program is a specialized solution to healthcare coverage for expatriates living and working in countries where government regulations or tax implications may affect benefit offerings and access to care. CIGNA Links integrates CIEB's global coverage with the administrative services and provider networks of local healthcare administrators, providing both global reach and local strength. To provide you with access to regional medical services while you are in Hong Kong, Taiwan, China, or Macau, CIEB has allied with Quality Healthcare Medical Services, or QHMS. QHMS is a large multi-clinic healthcare provider and third-party administrator with a medical network that includes more than 40 QHMS clinics and more than 600 affiliates or providers. CIEB has identified Hong Kong as an alternate location for you to receive care. Most of the QHMS network doctors and hospitals are located in Hong Kong. But you will also have access to a selection of doctors and hospitals in China and Macau. However, there is no accessible network in Taiwan. Due to local considerations when utilizing the QHMS network, your benefit plan will differ from standard CIEB coverage. Most notably, deductibles, excess, limits, and pre-existing conditions are waived. After you are enrolled with CIEB, you will receive a CIEB QHMS co-branded ID card. This ID card will display both CIEB and QHMS logos and contact details. When accessing care at a QHMS provider, simply present your ID card, pay applicable co-insurance, and receive treatment. You do not need to complete a claim form when visiting a doctor or hospital within the QHMS network. Claims will be filed directly on your behalf. Hong Kong is one of the most expensive places in the world to receive medical care, but CIEB's CIGNA Links relationship in the region provides access to services at a negotiated rate through QHMS providers. We strongly recommend utilizing the QHMS network when in the region, as doing so provides an opportunity to reduce your out-of-pocket expenses. Some existing members may have two separate cards, a CIEB Global card and a Gold QHMS card. The process will remain the same. Simply present your QHMS ID card to the provider, pay the applicable co-insurance, and receive treatment. If you are seeking services outside of the QHMS network in Hong Kong, you may wish to contact QHMS to request a guarantee of payment, or GOP, be placed with the provider. Otherwise, you will be required to pay for the service in full prior to receiving treatment. If you do not make arrangements for a GOP and you pay for your services in full, please remember to obtain both an itemized bill and receipt of payment, as payment may be delayed if you do not submit both items. Submit your itemized bill and receipt of payment along with a completed QHMS claim form via fax or regular mail to QHMS as indicated on the claim form or on the back of your ID card. Please note you will receive reimbursement in Hong Kong dollars. When you visit out-of-network doctors and hospitals outside of Hong Kong, you will receive benefits through your global plan with CIEB. When seeking services out of network, you have two options. Option number one, you can pay for services at the time of your visit and submit a CIEB claim form, an itemized bill, and a receipt to CIEB for reimbursement. Or option number two, you can contact CIEB directly and attempt to arrange direct payment to the doctor or hospital. For the complete Quality Healthcare Medical Services Facility Directory, visit the CIEB Secure web portal, www.cignaenvoy.com. Log in with your CIGNA ID and password. Click on Find Provider, then Outside USA. Next, scroll down and select Hong Kong, Taiwan, China, or Macau, and then click on the CIGNA Links network. You will then be directed to the QHMS Network Provider Directory. If you do not have an ID and password, or you're experiencing difficulties logging in, Please contact CIGNA International's 24/7 customer helpline for assistance, toll-free, at 1-800-441-2668 or directly at 1-302-797-3100. Reverse charges are accepted.